All right, guys, we're over here in Long Beach. Got a refinish and a repair to do. Original red oak floor, 2¼ inches wide, 3/4 inch thick. Gonna replace these where the heater used to be. And repair some of these termite boards. They, years ago, added on. The wall used to stop right here. And they added this addition. So we're going to add the floor to continue that. Underneath the carpet is just the plywood. We're going to take the wood out of this bedroom. And add it into this room so it's identical. But now pulling up the carpet, when they built this addition, the subfloor is level with the oak flooring. So stay tuned. That's going to be a nightmare. All right, happy homeowners, here we go. About lunchtime, but what we have done is we've taken out all the old wood. We got to pull up all the nails. This is the most expensive way to do it, but it's the best way to do it. It's a lot more work. We've got to go through, this is the wood that we've taken out of the bedroom. We have to pull the nails, go through the grooves, the tongues, make sure it's all clean so when we reinstall it, it goes back together beautiful. Over here we've put up all the carpet, the plywood, got a little hole patch here. And once we start sanding, we'll see if these urine stains sand out. Not sure. We got a couple of termite boards. We want to use all the old wood. See these termite boards we got to replace. And then the heater hole has got to be replaced. We want to use all the old wood here so that when you first come in, it looks all original. Even though this is the same 2¼ thick or 2¼ wide, 3/4 inch thick red oak, this is probably 75 to 80-year-old wood, so it's not going to have the aging and the amber effect. And in this back bedroom, you'll never notice it. And in here, this will all blend in together. So it's a mess, a lot of work, but ends up being worth it.